Hello, little mathematicians. Today we are going to learn something fun and important called addition. What is addition? Addition means putting things together. Let's look at apples. If you have 2 apples and I give you 3 more apples, now let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we say 2 plus 3 equals 5. Let's use our fingers. Your fingers are perfect for learning addition. Hold up 1 finger. Now hold up 2 more fingers. Count them all. 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. Try another example. You have 1 teddy bear. Then you get 2 more teddy bears. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. Your turn. Can you try this? 2 plus 1 equals. Use your fingers or imagine objects.